So the next race down the course are the women's B pairs. In lane number 3 from Riverside Rowing Club, Melanie Innes and Iliara Pangani. In lane 4 from North Shore Rowing Club, Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell, coached by Kim Rudder. Lane 5 from Leichhardt Rowing Club, Daniela Bourget and Jennifer Zonga, coached by Steve Sherry. Lane 6 from Karen Rowing Club, Jess Fishman and Jackie Diebel, coached by Drew Holman. And in lane number 7 from Leichhardt Rowing Club, Belinda Brigham and Jane Hutchinson.
Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation of medals for the Lightweight Women's Masters A Single Scull. In third place, representing Newcastle University, Christy Hinton. In second place, and silver medalist from Corio Bay Rowing Club, Fiona Wild. In first place, gold medalist and champion in 2023 from Easter Rowing Club in Singapore, Taozi Zhuan. Please congratulate your champion and medalists in the Lightweight Women's Masters A Single Scull.
So coming down the course now, you can see lovely footage there of the North Shore pair of Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell in the women's B Coxless Pairs finals. And again, that footage from the BRO boats, absolutely fantastic, giving you a bit of an idea. And it always, Michael, I always feel like it looks a lot easier when you're looking at it like that than what it actually is when you are the one huffing and puffing and trying to blow the house down out in front.
Well, that's right. Every time you take a step back from the sport, you think, oh, gosh, it wasn't that hard, was it? But it really is that hard. That North Shore crew in lane 4 making it look easy. Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell hailing out of the North Shore Rowing Club on the Lane Cove River in Sydney, doing a really, really fantastic job. But it is, I think, in the lead at this stage. It's the Karen Rowing Club crew from Victoria over in lane 6. So one back into the course from this side of the grandstand, Stu.
Yeah, in that looks to be the yellow boat, Jess Fishman and Jackie Diebel, coached by Drew Holman. So they're looking quite comfortable out in front, leading that second Leichhardt crew of Daniela Bourget and Jennifer Zonga. We've heard those names quite a few times for Leichhardt Rowing Club. Coming down the course, sitting in third place are that crew from North Shore Rowing Club, Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell. So they've got the bronze at the moment, but they are being challenged by the second Leichhardt crew of Belinda Brigham and Jane Hutchinson over in lane 7. So the lane closest to us, and then a bit of a gap to the crew from South Australia, Melanie Innes and Iliara Pangani, sitting over in lane number 3. So furthest away from us, we just see them there. So again, fantastic footage and a little bit, I'd like to say a little bit of a breeze, but I think any ripples in the water have pretty much been caused by the fact that we've had boats coming down every 5 minutes or so. Because the wind, if you have a look at the flags out there, the flags are absolutely just lying very lightly.
I'd suggest that you're right, Stu, and our officials setting a cracking pace proceedings this afternoon, but it is in the lead. Karen Rowing Club from Victoria in lane 6. Close on their heels is Leichhardt Rowing Club's Daniela Bourget and Jennifer Zonga. They are fierce competitors and they are strongly in that second silver medal position. Third place is going to be tight. It's going to be between Leichhardt's Belinda Brigham and Jane Hutchinson on the one hand, and then North Shore's Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell on the other. I think Leichhardt have just got a bow ball, maybe a seat advantage over them, but it is going to be a win for Karen Rowing Club in lane 6 from Victoria. Second place is going to go the way of Daniela Bourget and Jennifer Zonga from Leichhardt, claiming some more silverware for an extremely experienced and competent crew. Third place goes the way of Belinda Brigham and Jane Hutchinson, their clubmates from Leichhardt, who have got the jump ahead of North Shore's Elizabeth Lowe and Peter Blundell, who have to settle for 4th. And 5th place is going to go the way of Riverside Rowing Club, Melanie Innes and Ilaria Pagani in lane 3, Stu.
Yeah, fantastic row there from the pair from Karen Rowing Club, Jess Fishman and Jackie Diebel, taking the gold medal in the women's B Coxless Pairs.